The purpose of this example is to explain how the maximum case weight limits work. First step is to run Quick Pallet Maker. Now we will go to the Preferences window and we will click on the Box tab and set the maximum case weight to 50 kilograms. Close. The new data sheet starting for primary package. And we will enter the dimensions of the primary package. In this case, it is 122 by 119 by 20 millimeters. We will leave the weight the same, 1 kilogram, and allow all dimensions to be placed vertically. What we will change here is the case count. Instead of 6, we will use 88. Notice that 88 times 1, that's 88 kilograms. And when we use tools to calculate, we will get an error that a valid box could not be created. Why? Because it's too heavy. So we go back to the Preferences window, click on Box, and we set the maximum weight to 100 kilograms. Click on OK, and try to calculate again. Now we see that we were able to generate boxes.